Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Market has been range bound and it continues to trade within 100 points range. The support would be around 5630 and the resistance would be around 5730. So that's the range we are looking for, and I'll be expecting more consolidation. But the momentum remains positive, the bias remains positive, and I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside for a target of 58.10 in the short term and 59.50 in the medium term outlook. Overall, friends, the daily momentum indicator on the Nifty chart is on the sell side, but it has completed a cycle till the zero line. So I'll be expecting a buy signal from these level and a breakout on the upside on the daily charts. Nifty has been trading in a upward sloping channel since last I think couple of months, and now it is at the upper end. So a little bit of consolidation and again a retest of the upper end of the channel. On the hourly charts, we've been consolidating around this area with a resistance of 5730 and a support at 5630, and I'll be expecting markets to take support at 5630 and break on the upside. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts is on the sell side, so a little more consolidation might just happen, and market should take support at 5630 and move upwards. Bank Nifty is again broken out of this consolidation pattern, but today we've given a negative close, so a little bit of more consolidation around this area, but overall the bias remains positive, and I'll be expecting the trend on the upside to continue. The support should be around 11,318 and 11,066. Resistance would be 11,640 and 1225. The momentum indicator on the daily charts on the sell side, but slightly it is drifting upward, so I'll be expecting a buy signal as soon as the Bank Nifty moves above the previous swing high. A stock specific action is seen in Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries has been consolidating in this bullish flag pattern, and I'll be expecting this bullish flag pattern to break on the upside. The support would be around 785 and 770. The resistance would be around 818 and 850. The momentum indicator is still in the sell side, so still more little bit of consolidation, but overall bias remains positive, and I'll be expecting this stock to do well and give us very good returns in next coming 1 or 2 months. Dr. Reddy is again a second stock we've chosen to go long. It has taken support at 40 and 20 daily moving average, which has multiple bottoms around those levels. The momentum indicator is on the buy side on the daily charts, so I'll be expecting this triangular pattern to break on the upside for a target of around 1815, that is the previous swing high. The supports would be around 1676 and 1634, and the resistance would be around 1745 and 1815. Thank you so much.